Hello, my name is Dr. Susan Steck, and I'm on the faculty in the Department of Epidemiology and Biostatistics in the Arnold School of Public Health at the University of South Carolina. I began my career at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, and in the second year of my first faculty appointment, I was very fortunate to receive a Cancer Prevention Research Fellowship from the Prevent Cancer Foundation, which is co-sponsored by the American Society of Preventive Oncology. I was so excited to receive this award. This was my first external grant as a new research assistant professor, and the fellowship from the Prevent Cancer Foundation was extremely instrumental in shaping my career. Receiving the fellowship demonstrated that I could obtain external funding and conduct meaningful research related to diet, genetics, and colon and breast cancers. This allowed me to successfully compete for a larger grant, a K07 Career Development Award from the National Cancer Institute at the NIH. And that grant gave me 5 years of protected time to focus on my research and build my research program. So the Prevent Cancer Foundation Award helped me to build collaborations, increase my productivity, and conduct meaningful research on the association specifically between meat intake, genetic susceptibility, and colon and breast cancers in a racially diverse population. This work helped solidify my interest in cancer-related health disparities, which has been a focus of my research ever since. More recently, I received a 2-year award from the Prevent Cancer Foundation to examine a new tool called the Dietary Inflammatory Index in relation to breast and colon cancers, using data from a large, well-established cohort study, the Women's Health Initiative. This grant supported one of my doctoral students as a graduate research assistant, and he was so inspired by the research that it spawned his dissertation topic and allowed him to successfully apply for a prestigious F31 predoctoral fellowship from the NIH. He went on to a postdoctoral fellowship at the Harvard School of Public Health, and so I really credit the Prevent Cancer Foundation Award with not only supporting my research program, but also helping to support the training of a promising young investigator and inspiring his future research. Our research from the Prevent Cancer Foundation grant showed that consuming a more pro-inflammatory diet is associated with increased risk of colorectal cancer and with breast cancer mortality. These were some of the first papers to report on the Dietary Inflammatory Index, and since then there have been over 100 publications on the index in relation to cancer and other health outcomes. Our work has led to the realization that there are multiple ways to consume an anti-inflammatory diet, and that moving toward a more plant-based, nutrient-dense way of eating may reduce chronic inflammation and the risk of multiple types of cancer. Obtaining outside funding is so critical to researchers, not only to make the next breakthrough discoveries, but also to help train the next generation of scientists who will then go on and make their own discoveries. Federal funding has become so competitive that it is critical to have the support of organizations like the Prevent Cancer Foundation to help scientists be able to keep their labs and research teams going until that next major grant hits. I am very honored that my research program has been supported by the Prevent Cancer Foundation in multiple ways throughout my career, and I'm eternally grateful to the Prevent Cancer Foundation for their support.